Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Now today we're going to be looking at HTML entities. Now first of all, what are HTML entities? HTML entities are characters that you can use in HTML when you can't render them using just default text. And an example of that is, let's say we want to have a website where we teach people how to code, and we want to render how an anchor tag looks to our user. If we do something like this and refresh, you can see that we don't get any result on the page. This is because this is a HTML tag and is expected to be a HTML tag and not text. Now, how can we get around this? We use HTML entities. So you go to your browser and type in HTML entities. Now I don't recommend for you to learn this by cramming, but all I just need you to know is anytime you need any character, there is most likely a HTML entity code for it. So now HTML entities are just like different codes that render something. So if you go to W3 Schools and go to the HTML entities section, you see a list of HTML entities you can try out. There are many more which you can make your own research on, but these are the basic and most commonly used ones. So to get around something like this, we'll use the less than and greater than symbols to represent these anchor tags, these characters in the beginning and the end. So first of all, copy this and put it here and here. Then for the greater than, we copy this, so you can either use the name or the number, but I recommend you using the name because it's easier to tell what it is. You can just see that it's and GT, which is greater than, LT, which is less than. So put GT here and GT here. So now when we save this and go back, you see that we get our anchor tag rendered correctly. So you can just put in anything here, google.com, and everything will be rendered how an anchor tag will normally be rendered. So you can just look for other HTML entities. So this copyright, which is mostly used in footers, you can just play around with them and search up more, and if you decide to, you can decide to cram some of them or just look at the ones that we have. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be looking at audio and video and how we can add them to our web pages. So see you in that video. Bye for now.